Yes, today we're going to study that the past continuous tense. In Urdu we said that فعل ماضی jari. So first one we have definition. The past continuous tense, which is used for the action which were in progress in the past. So then we have four major points. Each tense has four major points. The first one we have helping verb. What are the meaning of helping verb? Helping verb gives the meaning of imdadi afal. Then we have was verb. Was verb are the helping verb of past continuous tense. So past continuous tense, where were used was and where were you were. Was is used with singular nouns and were is used within plural nouns. Then we have verb. Fail. Verb in Urdu, fail is said to be that verb. So first form of verb with ing is used in past continuous tense. First form of verb with ing. Then we have Urdu identification. Urdu identification, it means Urdu pehchan. So we have the Urdu identification of past continuous tense. Raha tha, rahi thi, rahe the, वगैरह वगैरह. Remember that when the sentence ends with रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे वगैरह वगैरह, so we use past continuous tense. Then we have the fourth major point, which is said to be that simple formula. Simple formula in Urdu we said that sada sa. So we have the simple formula: subject plus helping verb plus first form of verb plus ing plus object plus full stop. Then we have more three examples. The first one is called simple sentence. Simple sentence, it's also said to be that positive sentence. I was teaching English. मैं English पढ़ा रहा था in past, not in present. Then we have negative sentence. I was not teaching English. मैं English नहीं पढ़ा रहा था. And then we have interrogative sentence. Remember that in interrogative sentence we ask a question. In Urdu we said that सवालिया जुमला. Was I teaching English? क्या मैं English पढ़ा रहा था? So that is the concept of past continuous tense. Me you soon inshallah.